Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make macaroni salad with Kaong. Start by boiling 2 cups of elbow macaroni in salted water until al dente, about 8 to 10 minutes. While pasta cooks, rinse and drain Kaong to remove syrup, chop vegetables, and mix dressing components. Timing matters so your pasta cools while you assemble the rest, keeping textures bright and flavors balanced for a creamy, slightly sweet salad. Once your pasta has cooled, whisk a dressing of mayonnaise, sour cream, a splash of vinegar, and a little mustard if you like a tang. Add salt, sugar, and freshly cracked pepper, tasting gradually to reach the balance you prefer. Fold in chopped vegetables and plump Kaong carefully so the fruit stays intact. Chill the salad for at least 30 minutes to let flavors meld and textures settle for serving. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more recipes like this. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how many think about money and could be a fun read while your salad chills. It's an easy, practical complement to making better choices in the kitchen and life. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Serve your macaroni salad chilled for the best texture and flavor contrast, garnishing with chopped parsley or chives, and a sprinkle of grated cheese for depth. For parties, arrange in a large bowl or portion into individual cups for easy serving and pourability. Keep leftovers tightly sealed in the fridge and eat within 3 days, stirring before serving to redistribute dressing and refresh the salad's creaminess and balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.